Well, we put up the trim on the bottom, the tar paper, and we're actually putting in our first window today. So we're pretty proud of that. It's looking actually pretty darn good. This side is ready to be tinned. Here's the supervisor again. This side's already been tinned. We're getting there. We are done for the day. It's getting too hot out. It's supposed to go to plus 35 today. So we got the window in. All we got to do is tin this side and one more side done. This will be the side with the lean-to on it. This is also what we done this morning. We put in supports under the front deck, filled in all the blanks. Slowly but surely getting her done.
That side window. Good start for Saturday.